Welcome to Review Lab. The best Toyota Tacoma front wheel bearing is probably one of the most critical components for your truck's smooth and safe operation, ensuring your wheels turn freely and quietly, and a worn-out bearing can lead to a host of issues, from annoying humming noises to serious safety concerns, making its selection and maintenance paramount for any Tacoma owner who values performance and reliability on and off the road. Number 5. TRQ Front Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly 2-Piece Set. Upgrade your vehicle's front end with this essential 2-piece wheel bearing and hub assembly set from TRQ. It's designed for a direct fit, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. This set is specifically engineered for rear-wheel drive models, including the Toyota 4Runner, FJ Cruiser, and Tacoma. Please verify compatibility for your specific vehicle year and drivetrain. The kit includes both the driver and passenger side front wheel bearing and hub assemblies. This makes replacing both sides at once straightforward and efficient. TRQ is dedicated to making repairs easier with a vast library of DIY videos. View before you do, and tackle your installation with confidence, thanks to our extensive resources. With over 25 years of experience, TRQ offers premium, direct-fit replacement parts. These assemblies are designed for ease of installation, saving you time and effort without requiring modifications. Confirm that these parts are the right fit for your vehicle using the Amazon Garage feature and our detailed compatibility chart. We ensure you get the correct parts for your repair. What we like. This kit comes with comprehensive DIY installation videos to guide you through the process. It features pre-assembled components for a straightforward replacement. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for guidance and ease of installation, this is a great choice for your vehicle. What people say. They were a perfect fit for my vehicle and the installation was straightforward with no issues. Immediately after installing them, the humming noise from my old bearings was gone, and the ride is smooth and quiet again. Good quality and easy installation. Everything was included in the box and protected in a plastic bag. Although the studs had pierced the factory box due to substandard protective material, the threads on the hub assemblies were in perfect condition. The installation took me about an hour and was much easier than removing the old, damaged assemblies. So far, the hubs are performing perfectly, and the weird noises I was hearing while driving are gone. Number 4. Detroit Axle 4WD Front Wheel Bearing Hub. Ensure your vehicle's smooth operation with our premium 4WD front wheel bearing hub assembly. Designed for a perfect fit, it's built to last. This assembly is compatible with a range of vehicles, including Toyota 4Runner, FJ Cruiser, Tacoma, and Lexus GX460 GX470 models. It's the ideal replacement for your worn-out parts. Each kit contains one front wheel bearing and hub assembly, ready for installation. It's everything you need to get back on the road with confidence. Featuring a 6-bolt design and magnetic ABS tone ring, this hub is engineered for optimal performance and safety. It's built to handle the demands of 4WD vehicles. Our products undergo rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing to guarantee exceptional quality and durability. You can trust in its long-lasting performance. We stand behind our product with a comprehensive 10-year warranty. Drive with peace of mind, knowing you're covered for a decade. What we like. This assembly is specifically designed for 4WD vehicles and has undergone rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing for durability. It also comes with a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. If you have a 4WD model and prioritize proven durability and long-term protection, this option is ideal. What people say. They are an exact fit and solved my issue. Perfect fit, zero noise. Seems the quality is there. 1 year later still going strong. The fit of this front wheel bearing was perfect. No problem getting it in at all. Top quality and functions as intended. Number 3. Dorman 950-004 Pre-Pressed Hub Assembly. Introducing the Dorman 950-004 Pre-Pressed Hub Assembly, designed for a seamless installation. This assembly comes complete with all necessary components, ready to go right out of the box. Save valuable hours with this innovative solution. It eliminates the need for replacing individual corroded parts, streamlining the repair process. Enjoy a simple and efficient repair. You won't need a shop press to complete the bearing replacement, making it a hassle-free job. Experience the difference of quality engineering. Designed in the United States, it's backed by decades of automotive aftermarket expertise. To ensure it's the right fit for your vehicle, please use the garage tool to check the confirmed fit bar. If you see an I icon, hover over it for important verification notes. What we like. This hub assembly comes pre-pressed, saving you significant installation time and eliminating the need for specialized shop presses. It's a simple, ready-to-install solution. If you're looking to get back on the road quickly and avoid the hassle of pressing individual components, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This has the best bearing, the most important part of this hub for the value. Front end runs smooth now, easy install and components seemed well built. If you did your research, you already know that this bearing comes pre-assembled and ready to go. The cheap crap ones you see for much less require special equipment and extra steps, which is great for professionals. However, if you are basic do-it-yourselfer, trying to save some money, this is a great choice. Number 2. Detroit Axle RWD Front Wheel Bearing Hubs. Ensure your Toyota Tacoma, 4Runner, or FJ Cruiser is ready for any road. This set is designed for RWD models, providing a reliable replacement for your front wheel bearing hubs. Specifically designed for 2005 to 2023 Toyota Tacomas, 2003 to 2024 4Runners, and 2007 to 2014 FJ Cruisers. This kit includes everything needed for a complete front wheel bearing and hub assembly replacement. Each assembly features a 6-bolt pattern and a magnetic tone ring for ABS functionality. They are built to precise specifications for a perfect fit and optimal performance. Our products undergo rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing. This ensures they meet high standards for quality and long-lasting durability on all your journeys. Drive with confidence knowing your purchase is backed by a comprehensive 10-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of our wheel bearing hub assemblies. What we like. Designed specifically for RWD models, this set has been tested for impact, wear, and fatigue to ensure long-lasting performance. It also includes a 10-year warranty. If your vehicle is RWD and you need a reliable, durable replacement with excellent warranty coverage, consider this option. What people say. Detroit Axle makes great products. These fit perfect on the front end of my 2015 Toyota 4Runner and installation took less than an hour for both sides. Fixed my loud and grinding old wheel bearings and hub. Super quiet, solid durable quality, best bang for your buck, fits and functions perfectly, completely fixed the vibrations. Just installed and now front end is smooth and quiet now. Easy install and top quality finish. Number 1. JADODE 950-001 Front Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly. Introducing the JADODE 950-001 Front Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly. This essential component is designed for 4WD vehicles, ensuring reliable performance. Crafted from high-carbon steel to meet stringent OE standards, it's built to last. Experience extended life and improved fuel efficiency with this high-quality assembly. This assembly is compatible with a range of vehicles, including the Lexus GX460, GX470, and Toyota 4Runner, FJ Cruiser, and Tacoma models, 4WD only. Enjoy a smoother, quieter ride thanks to its low run-out design, which reduces noise and vibration. The multi-lip seals protect against contaminants for lasting performance. Designed for fast installation, this pre-greased, pre-sealed unit comes with a 10-year warranty for your peace of mind. Please verify fitment before purchase. What we like. This 4WD only assembly is engineered with high carbon steel for extended life and improved fuel efficiency, featuring low runout for reduced noise and vibration. It also boasts a 10-year warranty. If you drive a 4WD vehicle and value a quiet, smooth operation along with robust warranty support, this is a strong contender. What people say. The bearing was a perfect fit for my 2008 Toyota Tacoma 4x4. It arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed for the repair. The quality of the material seems very good and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.